Yes, I understand for you there. Well, the old hometown looks the same as I step down, down, down from the train. And that's to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look and there runs memory. Hair gone and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Well, the old house still stands there, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's an old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet, sweet memory. Hair golden leaves like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yeah. Then I wake and looks around me at four gray walls that surrounds me, and I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. For there's a car and there's a stand on battery. Arm in arm we'll walk at daybreak again. I touch the green, green, green grass of home. Yes, they all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me near the green, 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 green grass of home. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall, laying so upon my skin like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care who's right or wrong, but I don't try to understand. Let the devil make tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of time. It's so sad to be alone. Gusto ko talaga. Help me make it through the night. I don't care who's right or wrong, but I'll try to understand. Let the devils take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a prayer. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's out of sight. It's so sad, sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. I can't stop loving you, so I made up my mind. I made up my mind to live in memory up to the lonesome time. But I can't stop wanting you, baby. It's useless to say. So I just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours that we once knew, long, long ago, that keep on makes me blue. They say that time it cannot heal a broken heart, but time has its thing since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you. It's so useless to say. So I just live my life, mangantay mapailan. Yeah. Ang galing talaga. Thank you!